Hey guys, welcome to the TechBirdies. This video is going to be a very short and simple tutorial of how to resolve the display capture issue in the latest OBS Studio version 26.1.1. So as you can see that I have captured the display, but then also my screen is not captured by the OBS Studio. So how to resolve this issue? First, what you need to do is just simply exit from the OBS Studio. As you exit from the OBS Studio, on your desktop, just right click and go to display settings option. In display settings option, scroll down and find the graphic settings and click on it. In graphic settings, under the choose an app to set preference option, what you have to do is just browse the location of the OBS Studio on your PC. You can also find the location of OBS Studio by just simply right clicking on the OBS Studio icon and you can open its file location. As you can see that in my computer, it's installed here. So you have to browse the OBS Studio location from here, and as you can see, you will generally find it out in program files in Drive C, OBS Studio under bin section 64-bit, and you will find this kind of icon. So what you have to do is click on it and simply add it. After adding it, now we will move on towards fixing this issue. So what's the problem arising in the latest systems is that generally your system is recording your screen by high performance GPU of your system, which should not be done. I don't know why it's done in the modern species as of today's, but your system must record by OBS Studio by using the integrated GPU of your system. So what we have to do is, for example, in Intel systems, it will show here Intel integrated some values. So what you have to simply do is just shift it from let Windows decide to power saving option and just simply save it. Exit from the settings, restart your OBS Studio. Let us start, and as you can see, now your display is captured and your issue is resolved. So if you like our tutorial, please share and subscribe our channel and kindly hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.